Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's get started trying to withdraw money directly from PayPal. If you are running an online business, freelancing or selling items online, getting via PayPal is almost unavoidable, but leaving your money sitting into the PayPal balance is a massive mistake. So I'm going to be showing you how to get started directly inside here. Before you can withdraw a single dime, you needed a secure pipeline. So when you look into PayPal, click into the element into the left section that says balanced, and once you are directly inside here, you can click the element that says banks and cards. You want to logged into PayPal, click into wallet at the top of the dashboard and select the element that says link a banking account. So you can link your bank instantly by logged in your online banking portal securely or type into routing an account number manually. If you go to the manual route, you can pay close attention to the verification step. So within the 3 business days, PayPal usually, when you click into linked a card, is going to be asking you, of course, to enter the right information directly inside here. You might be seeing that this one appears as blurred because there's some sensitive content directly inside here. So look at the bank statement note for those exact amount, log back into the PayPal wallet and type them into the fully unlock your account transfer capabilities. This is like the method number 1, the 100% free standard transfer, because once your transfer is verified, you are ready to cash out. Click into transfer money button right under your main balance. This brings up to 2 withdrawal choices. So if you wanted to keep every single penny of your money, always choose standard transfer. And PayPal charges absolutely 0 fees for routing your money to understand the checking account through the traditional ACH pipeline. While the PayPal states this 1 to 3 business days, if you're initiated transfer on a standard weekly morning, the cash almost always lands into your local bank account by the very best next business days. The second method, for example, is the premium instant transfer. But what if you are into a potential pinch and you needed the cash in pocket right the second? This is where you select options to instant to transfer. You run an instant transfer. You must link a compatible debit card to the wallet. PayPal routes these funds through the Visa, Direct, or MasterCard send network delivery the money into your bank balance within minutes. However, its speeds comes at the actual price. Sometimes it takes up to 1.5 cut of your total balances for this luxury. Fortunately, the maximum fee is $15. So if you're transferring a massive sum over $1,000, for example, the fee locks at $15, making it highly predictable for larger commerce cash out. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about a critical warning: the 4% international currency trap. If you receive payment in foreign currencies, you needed to listen very carefully to this next step, or you will lose hundreds of dollars to a hidden trap. When you withdraw a foreign currency, PayPal will offer to automatically convert this into your local domestic currency right inside the transfer screen. Do not let them currency conversion spread that can siphon away up to 4% of your total balances margins. Instead, you want to look into holding the native currency balance or utilizing dedicated multi-currency accounts linked to the wallet to handle your international exchanges at true mid-market rates before deriving the funds home. So take that in mind before you want to make some sales, receive money here directly here into PayPal. So to protect your income, build a regular habit out of the cash out. Use the standard transfer route every Friday afternoon to sweep your platform earnings into the real bank account completely for free. Reserve the premium instant transfer network strictly for operational emergencies. Something that I didn't tell you is that if you already have a bank or a debit credit card directly here into the PayPal, your balanced will automatically sending this money into the currency or into the bank element that you already have selected automatically by default, because PayPal no longer holds the balances into accounts for security reasons. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great videos like this. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully, with all of this being said, we can all see you next time.